Rising Moons travelers, tons of progress made today. This is the Ruthsarian GE blade, Neopixel GE blade. Stock Savi's hilt, regular battery, no extra battery in the blade at all, and completely redesigned software from the ground up, started all over again, but mimicking Ruthsarian's original menu system and design as far as the architecture goes. So here's what we got. As you'll see, smooth start. Menu system is the same as before, where you can go to different colors. Okay, you do your whole blade fading. Each individual segment fading. There's a white menu now that has white and pastels. And then this is Rocket Pop now. I don't know if the colors are getting washed out or not, but inside of here there are other saved blades, just like in the last one. And then back to stock. And then of course we have the effects. Sort of unstable. And like kind of a twinkling effect. Twinkling effect, but turning off the blade instead of making segments brighter. Same, but a little darker. This is flame, where it actually goes pixel by pixel and makes a flame going towards the top. And this one here has scattered white flashes within the blade itself. And this is breathing. And then we're back to stock. All 64 colors are still available. Actually, there's more than 64. There's 256, but 64 officially being able to be tagged. And a couple different menu items. Oh, one thing you'll notice too, there's 3 randomly selected flash or clash types. Don't think that's going to come through in the video, but there's a single flash, double flash, and a double flash with sparks going out towards the edges of the blade. Still a work in progress, but looking really, really good.